Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We are off today to go snorkeling and fishing, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, our ride is here, so we have to hurry. Sorry.
yeah. We hope the weather is good enough,
Yeah,
like a cloudy and rain.
yeah. Looks like it's sunny and then cloudy and then it rained a little bit, so weather's unpredictable, but it'll still be really nice, right?
Yeah.
Let's go see some fish. Okay. Where's our ride? The sand wave? Okay. Very good. Just us, huh? It's called the sand wave. Okay, here we go. Looks like the sun came out. How do you feel?
Good. How about you?
Good. What's this called again, dear? This vehicle? Songtail? Songtail. Why? Song is two rows. And what's the tail?
Now is alone.
Long?
Song is
Two. And then what's the other word?
Cow. Song, cow.
What's towel mean?
Cow is a roll.
Oh, row. Two rows. Okay. Ready for the sea?
Ready.
Good. It's tight. All right, we borrow it. He's borrowing some fishing poles off the other boat. Yeah. Fisherman's Village. Oh. Wow, our own private boat. Right? What's missing? Oh, I thought you were missing something. Good. Backing it up like a car. Very cool. Okay, here we go. To the sea. Wow, just enough, like you said. They couldn't get through this yesterday, right? Or 2 days ago. Remember? 2 days ago. This is like there was no water here, right? Wow. Uh-oh. Here we go. I should ask him if they want to be filmed. I didn't ask him if it's okay.
Oh, I will ask.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very good.
Fishing first.
Oh, okay. Any luck, honey?
No luck.
No.
Video.
Oh, it is a video. Okay. Snorkeling.
Make you see Nemo. Different species
So,
of
see
tattoo.
Yeah. Black and white Nemo with orange lips.
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks
Let's
like.
see.
Let's
how this
see
look
what he
like.
and she looks like. Or them?
Yeah.
Well, we just finished snorkeling.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some food now, I think.
Yeah.
Here at the beach.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're letting us go into the beach.
Yeah.
Prepare food.
Yeah.
They're gonna cook on the boat.
Sashimi, he said.
Sashimi?
He's been sashimi. Sashimi. Raw. Yeah. This area there was a resort
Oh.
before, but now they didn't do business anymore.
You hear the ocean.
What did you get?
I found a big shell.
Yeah.
It sounds like the ocean. Wow. You hear the sea. Nice. Needs to be washed off a little. I don't know if this is native to here. It might have been from the resort.
Like a decoration thing.
Yeah. Nice. How about we leave it for this big crab?
Yeah.
You like a little a shell, huh?
Let's go over there, Nee.
Over what?
Over there. That spot. Honey, I think of the Survivor. Remember
Right.
Survivor?
Right?
Yeah. I did.
Just need a stick.
Look for the what they call in the Survivor. The idol,
Hey, look,
the hint.
we could fish. The string, we could fish.
Oh yeah.
There's a hook. Oh, gee.
Oh, this area is good. I mean, cool. Shade. Huh?
It's cool to open up a business here. A lot of work and money.
Yeah.
Brooklyn, the first mate, was saying that this was a resort that's abandoned. It's remarkable how beautiful it is. So all the ships, the boats come here and dock and have lunch. There's our boat. They're preparing raw squid. What's raw squid called?
Sashimi.
Sashimi.
Sashimi is a raw meat, raw seafood.
Raw squid.
They use squid.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like this place would be really nice if somebody bought it and redid it. Right there?
Yeah.
A bunch of coconuts growing in the sand. Yeah, another abandoned part. Weird, it's like it's just left. The structure's still in the back there. Looks like they could be redone. Roofs look pretty good. Wow, there's the pool. Wow, it's still got water in it. There's the stairs for the pool. Wow. Yeah, and a walk to the beach. Somebody will redo this place,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah, actually, the
Pretty
beach
nice.
is nice.
Yeah, no road in front. Definitely needs work though. So, Captain Bot, right? And first meet Brooklyn. All right. This is what they.
Thank you so much for
First-
lunch.
Yes. This
So lovely.
is squid, pineapple. What's that? Yeah. Lunchbox. Yeah. In case we don't like raw squid. Hot. First meet. Finished eating and finished snorkeling, finished fishing. So I think we're gonna get our skins and our bodies back out of the sun. Probably head back soon, right, Pim? Yeah, then maybe go kayaking if we feel like it. Maybe not. The hotels get free kayaks, so maybe we'll try that out if we're not too tired. Girl.
Beauty. Beauty one. This is beauty. I have a snack for me. I have a snack. Can you hold this?
What's she getting, huh? Oh, wow, she knows.
Oh my goodness.
Hey.
You know.
Yeah.
You know.
You let him sniff you first.
You know better, huh?
Yeah, you gonna get a snack?
You know better.
Whoa. You got a new friend. Just happen to have snacks with you, huh?
You know better, huh? Girl or boy?
I don't know. Girl. I think.
Good girl.
Or
You
very
wanna
small
come back
balls.
with us? You wanna go
Yeah.
to Bangkok with us? Huh? Careful, honey. You like it, huh? You like it? Oh, yummy, yummy. This is so yummy. Have you ever had this thing before?
She's very patient.
Is it the first time?
She hasn't tried to bite it like the other
Is
cats.
it the first time? Mm-hmm.
She kind of matches the wood a little bit, the color.
Yeah, enough, 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 enough. Good girl. Good girl. Enough. Enough.
Oh.
Okay.